I'm Chris, and today we're going to be doing a speed test with the GPS on this Rhino Aero. This is a vintage style car. I have a video where I went through that whole thing, so it should work out pretty good. It has a little place I can stick the GPS in right there. Let's check it out. All right, we got everything ready. The car's not very fast, but now we aren't going that fast, but I'm very impressed with how straight in a line this car goes. Let's check this out. 14 miles an hour, and that's equal to 22 kilometers. And that's exactly what I got last time I tested it, so super consistent numbers. So my biggest complaint is when these RC cars don't go in a straight line. Maybe it needs that little bit of play like that, because this thing really goes straight. It could be because of the lower speeds, but I think I'm gonna do a brushless conversion on this one because it's just that much fun. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.